Alright, so I'm here working on a Kenmore 500 series dryer. That is not, the drum's not turning, it's completely dead. When you press the button here, nothing happens. First thing I check is the door. Look for the door switch, which is right here. It's kind of tough to see when you get my light. Now that door switch is broken. You can see some of the broken plastic there. It's usually about a ½ inch longer than that, so that when this door closes, it hits that switch, so it's just not touching it. You see that? So actually, when I hold this and press the button, the drum turns. Let go of it, and it stops. So that door switch just needs to be replaced, and that's it. Thanks for watching.